What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Dominoes Summer Show. We're here with... Huh? And? And?
I'm just Vivian.
Huh?
I'm just Vivian.
Vivian, all right. So how y'all doing?
Good.
All right. So this y'all booth, right?
Well, we don't have to. We're just filming here.
Oh, y'all. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, my mistake. When I finish this, would y'all like to take a picture?
Sure.
All right. So often y'all come to Comic-Con?
I've been coming the past like 3 years.
Okay. All right. So hey there. You work this booth? Well, I'm sorry, y'all. Would y'all like to take a pic? Hey, how you doing? Hey, you work this booth?
Yeah.
Oh, would you like to be on my show? Huh? Oh, my YouTube show.
I'm good.
All right, I ain't gonna put you on. So anyway, y'all been to Comic-Con before?
This is my second time.
And your?
Third, I think fourth or total. This is my second time.
Okay, all right. So I'm about to take y'all a picture and stuff like that if y'all want me to. Okay. So I'll be right back. Okay.